Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our brand new Toyota Sienna L. This is a rear entry, manual ramp and door mobility wheelchair accessible van, so I'll get right to the conversion. As I mentioned, rear entry, all of it's manual, very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. Trunk's all manual. I can operate this entire conversion using 2 fingers. Look here, I've got a clamp. I have to clamp here to open them up. Flip that clamp over. It's got a handle on the driver's side. Also has a handle on the passenger side. I'm going to take this down using just 1 finger. It's spring assisted. Very easy to operate. And I can take it to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. The ramp itself is 43 inches wide inside the van. It tapers off here where it holds the ramp. There's 41 3/4 inches of room between there. So if you're carrying bigger chairs, bigger people, or if you have someone in your family that's in a larger chair, this is the van for you. It's got the spare tire, 8 tie down points, 2 in the rear, 4 in the center, 2 all the way up front. So this van is made to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. Everything in this van is brand new, so of course it's all perfect condition. It's got the rear air controls, got the vinyl seats back here. The vinyl seats, so if you have any passengers in the back and they make a mess or there's any kind of spill, it's on these vinyl seats, very easy to clean up. Of course, everything is in perfect condition. Has a steering wheel control, so whether it's you or one of your employees or someone in your family, they can keep their eyes on the road. That's very important. Backup camera, speaking of safety, dual climate control. Driver can be 1 temperature, passenger can be a 2nd temperature. You can even have a 3rd temperature in the rear. It's got plenty of cup holders up front. Cup holders there. It's got some over in the each console inside of the doors too. So it's got 4 cup holders up here. Cup holders galore. Plenty of plug-ins. These come with the Apple Play. All the new Toyotas have those in them, from what I understand. So it's not loaded to the roof, but it's got some nice options to have. Some great safety features. When you've got all your passengers secured, come back out. Look here, 1 finger. I can pick that ramp up using only my index finger. Lock it back down. You know, folks, the electric ramps and doors, they're nice, but they are so costly when something goes wrong. And you know they're going to break down on you at the exact wrong time. So when you got them secure, shut her down, you're ready to roll. I'll do a walk around to the vehicle. It's got the tinted windows in the rear. Keep you nice and cool in the summertime and give you privacy year round. Has the alloy wheels. Real sharp looking van. Of course, there's no dents, no damage, no scratches. It's brand new. We've got 2 sets of keys, keyless entry, 2 keyless entry remotes. It's got all the warranty in here, the owner's manual, a bunch of the other booklets are all maintenance manual. Got your window sticker in there as well. Gray cloth interior, super clean inside and out. I'll finish up my walk around. The conversion on these is a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from Toyota. No, the conversion does not void the warranty. It still has the full Toyota warranty. 5-year, 60,000 mile warranty on the drivetrain. The conversion itself comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. That's a better warranty than Braun offers. That's a better warranty than a lot of the big companies offer. 3 years unlimited miles. You can see the current miles on this van are 37 miles. Has a full tank of gas. Like I mentioned, the backup camera, a lot of these safety features are real handy to have. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, it has a 3.5 V6 engine. Good strong Toyota motor. These things will run forever. You know that if you know Toyotas. Keep in mind, we do offer free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. We are one of the only companies, if not the only company, that offers that. We do have financing available as well. We can take an application over the phone, or we can send one to your email. If you ever want to check us out online, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. If you're ever going to come down and look at one of our vehicles, please always give me a call first. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. Give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If texting is easier for you, text my cell phone, 316-518-5267. 4377. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.